Hello, everyone. Welcome to Product Review. I'm Kois. Today we will talk about unleashing culinary creativity with the COSORI Air Fryer 4QT, a comprehensive review. In the realm of modern kitchen appliances, the COSORI Air Fryer 4QT stands out as a versatile and innovative addition to any culinary arsenal. This smart air fryer, equipped with 7 cooking functions, promises a healthier and more convenient cooking experience. Let's delve into the features that make the COSORI Air Fryer 4QT a standout kitchen companion. The COSORI Air Fryer 4QT offers an impressive array of 7 cooking functions, ranging from air frying and roasting to baking and grilling. This versatility allows users to explore a multitude of recipes, catering to various tastes and dietary preferences. Whether you're craving crispy fries, succulent chicken, or delectable pastries, this air fryer has you covered. One of the key highlights of the COSORI Air Fryer 4QT is its smart technology that enables cooking with up to 97% less fat compared to traditional frying methods. This makes it an ideal choice for health-conscious individuals who want to indulge in their favorite dishes without compromising on taste. The air frying technology ensures that your food retains its crispy texture while minimizing oil usage. To further enhance the user experience, COSORI provides access to a free app with an extensive collection of 150 recipes. This app acts as a culinary companion, offering inspiration and guidance for creating a wide range of dishes. The app is user-friendly and complements the air fryer's capabilities, making it easy for both novice and experienced cooks to experiment with new recipes. The COSORI Air Fryer 4QT is thoughtfully designed to cater to the needs of smaller households, making it an excellent choice for individuals or couples. The 4.0 quart capacity strikes a perfect balance between functionality and space efficiency, ensuring that you can prepare satisfying meals without wasting energy or ingredients. Cleaning up after cooking can be a tedious task, but the COSORI Air Fryer 4QT simplifies this process with its dishwasher-safe components. The removable basket and non-stick coating make cleanup a breeze, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your culinary creations and less time scrubbing pots and pans. Adding a touch of aesthetics to your kitchen, the COSORI Air Fryer 4QT is available in a stylish sage green color. The Lite 4.0 quart smart air fryer not only performs admirably but also elevates the visual appeal of your kitchen space. In conclusion, the COSORI Air Fryer 4QT is a game-changer in the realm of kitchen appliances. With its 7 cooking functions, smart technology, and user-friendly features, it opens up a world of culinary possibilities. Whether you're a health-conscious individual looking to reduce fat intake or a culinary enthusiast eager to experiment with new recipes, the COSORI Air Fryer 4QT is designed to meet your needs. Embrace the future of cooking with this innovative and efficient air fryer that combines technology, convenience, and style in one sage green package. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video.